All right. While rest of the people are joining, you can start. You can communicate. You can share your experience, what you did at home. Meanwhile, there's no restriction to speak. You can talk.
Enjoying
Ma'am, I must.
session, ma'am.
I
Yeah.
have seen your activities which you have shared in the group, and really, it's very, you know, wonderful experience to see that you are able to do it at your home with your kids. What I'm trying to give you.
Ma'am, and moreover is like when I played that song, that Kisne Boya and
Right.
Bone, the sewing sound. And ma'am, it's something that the song was so beautiful that I think my son was not that much enjoying, and I was more into that song.
Yes.
So I actually relate to that song, ki how important that is for, for that's early birds, all these things.
Right.
Because you keep on telling them this is a apple, but at the same time you should make them understand what exactly all these things. So I think so, ma'am, this experience is really awesome, and the way you are doing it, I think the entire credit goes to you, and you are
Oh,
helping all the
it is.
parents
It is
out
not
here, ma'am.
me. It is actually the
Oh,
way children like.
right, ma'am,
That
but
is
it
the
is a
only way.
beautiful way. It's a beautiful way, and the song is so beautiful that that song is still in my ears, and I
I
can
can feel.
sing n number
I
of
know.
times, ma'am. That I
I
don't
know.
want to
I
stop.
know. It,
Yeah.
right now you have listened only 2 or 3 songs. I have around 100 songs which I remember, all the songs which I used to sing the whole day, and I'm
Yeah.
teaching since 16 years these early years only children.
Yes.
And the moment I used to enter a class, I have to play the music. Then only I can
Yes.
enjoy my class. So my kids also used to enjoy, and it's like
And
relaxation.
ma'am,
They are listening and they are doing their work peacefully.
music is the best way you can
Yes,
connect with the kids, ma'am. Music
yes,
is the best way, because
right,
music is something. It's not basically you need to make them write or read something, but music is one thing they can remember it for long time also. It is not for short run, it is for long run, I suppose.
exactly,
It is
yes.
beautiful way of doing it. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
You're
Thanks a
all
lot.
welcome. The thing is that you
Yeah.
have to give it to your children, then only it is fruitful. Otherwise, there is no sense of keeping this, because this is the time where everybody is at home, and this is a
Yeah.
very crucial time which we have never thought of it.
Right, ma'am. Right.
Okay,
Right.
and this is what we are delivering, or teaching our kids also how to handle with these situations in a
Right, ma'am.
positive manner. Being positive, how can you teach? It's
Yes, ma'am.
more how can handle these situations.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything can happen over here. It is art.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it
Right.
is a challenging situation for kids also, and it is for us as well.
For us as
So we
well.
need to have lots of patience, ma'am. This point of time, if we don't have patience, we cannot handle the kids properly, ma'am. So we need to have lots of patience this time, ma'am. In case if we don't have patience, I think the kids will go. I don't know. They will not learn anything. They will not do anything. Also, it is all upon us, ma'am. How we do it with the kids. How
It
we
is
do it with
all
kids.
about learning. So keep learning.
Learning.
Again, this time is teaching us something, and we learn the best with our own experiences. We can never prepare our children also for future, that what they are going to face in the future, but we have to prepare their personality so that they can face the challenges that we have to do. We don't have to teach them that how to face this particular challenge. Don't prepare them for a particular challenge or particular thing. It is so that they can face any challenge in the life. So we have to grow them in that manner. We have to help them to grow, because they don't understand anything. They are very delicate, and the way we will behave, they will also learn the same. Anything, anyone else has to say anything?
I really enjoyed it with Samrid and Vihan because plantation is something, playing with mud is something kids enjoy. But taking it into a fruitful direction, that there is a learning out of it. Playing is easy, but playing while learning something is really fun. and both of them were singing and trying to learn the words. So it was very creative way of teaching plantation. They enjoyed it. Thank you.
It is my personal experience. I still, like to sow seeds, and you will still see two saplings in my pot. So every time I have two saplings in my pot. Whenever I cut the vegetables and I find the seeds or the rotten vegetable which is of no use, we have to throw. So I pull out the seed and I plant it and just let's see how does it grow. And with the help of leaves only we can recognize which plant is this. The leaf shape also it tells us that how we can recognize which plant is this. So that is the leaves we identify. These things they should also know. How do we come to know which plant is this? There are so many beautiful flowers. So flowering plants are different. Everything is different. Some grows faster, some take time to grow. So they'll get connected to nature. I love nature. I love animals. I love all these things. So I never get bored, and I love seeing children doing anything. When they do mess, I love to see it. How they are doing, the way they have the patience to handle all these things we don't have. This is what we are going to do today also. So we'll start with our session, and if anybody comes, I'll allow them to join. So our today's session is all about the social development, which I think we have started also talking on the same topic. It is all about social development. So every development is interconnected. We do not live our life into subjects. Is it like that? That 1 hour we will live mathematically, 1 hour we will live science, 1 hour we will live in that manner or English or something like that. No. Every subject in the life is interrelated, interconnected. We cannot separate one development then with the other development. Okay. So what do you understand, or what is your understanding about social development and how and why it is important? Can I have some views?
Social development, we can say that the way in which a child reacts when he or she meets to a new person, and how he or she behaves it.
Right. Okay.
And how the child reacts,
Okay.
like it's the social development, how the child, like nature, how he's reacting with the person.
Right. So actually we live in the social world. We all are social animals. Right. So we have certain values or maybe code of conduct that how do we live in the society. It's all like society. We live in a society. Society is made up of so many people and they have different views. Sorry, I'm muting all. I think my voice is all right. So when we talk about the preschool years and when we talk about the social development, it is all about the behavior and the thing, because when the child is born, he is trying to cope up with the things, with the environment which is surrounded by the child, and he's trying to understand what it is all about. So when we talk about the initial development, how does the development start? When a child is born, he doesn't know anything, he doesn't know anyone, but what he tries to learn about himself. Like, who am I, why am I here, and what it is where I'm here, what it is that's surrounding. Okay, so we try to adapt these certain things. We have seen when we go to a new environment, we are not easily able to adjust. We take time to adjust when we go to a new environment, isn't it? When you go to a new city which you are not familiar with, so how will you behave? You will find you will take time to adjust with the other people also. with the environment conditions also, with the climatic conditions also, whether it is cold or warm. So that way you have to make your body according to that. You have to follow or take certain things which you can wear, you can adjust yourself in the environment, so that you can make yourself feel comfortable. You can make yourself feel safe. It is all about safety. If you know the place is not safe, would you like to go? Why we are all locked down? We are not stepping out. Why? Because we know that if we go out, something else will happen, which is not
Because
safe
it is
for
not
us.
safe for
Yes.
safe
So
for
safety
environment
comes
outside.
first. Safety comes first. So everybody thinks of their own safety. So children also think the same. When they are coming to a new environment, they need a safe and secured environment. And mother is the first person who can give him the safe environment, because he comes first of all in mother's hand only. So where, and then when we feed a child, we are again fulfilling his demand, because now he's demanding something. Maybe he's feeling hungry, or maybe he's feeling uncomfortable, but he cannot tell you anything. What he can do, he can only cry, and you have to make him, comfortable, so that he will be calm. So if you cry, you shout, he will shout more than you. If you will be calm, your child will automatically be calm. These all the tantrums and all the bad behavior, we only teach them. They do not come learned. They are learning here only in the environment. So environment plays a very important role in nurturing the children. When if we want to give them moral good values, it is very good thing that they can connect with the stories when they are growing a little bit, and play with them. Play is the time where you can get with them connected, where they can feel secure. It is not all about the studying every time. Studying is only a single part of it. Going school is only a single part of it. So when the child is born, we are talking about when the child is in the age of 2 to 2 years, 0 to 2 years. Then by Erikson, it is a stage of the development of ego identity. Ego identity means the child is learning about himself, what he is, why he is, and how he is accepted by the others. Right? If you scold the child, he will not feel happy. So he will find somewhere insecure. Sometimes he will find that what I have done, what is the behavior which I did. Sometimes the children cry so much if they are not able to communicate. So we need to understand the behavior, the situation in which the child is behaving like this. Okay, you have always seen that the child is crying at home and maybe he's not well, so he doesn't leave his mother, because he feels that is the secured place where he feels secure. And the moment we take them to the doctor, what happens out of the doctor's cabin?
They start crying.
No, most of the children start playing out of the doctor's cabin in the waiting area where we are waiting.
Yeah.
And some patients are inside, so half of their disease or maybe their fever gone. So we feel like कि घर पे तो इतनी मस्ती कर रहा था और इतना परेशान कर रहा था हमको, he was crying. But when we reach to the clinic, the child automatically gets over it. उसका बिहेवियर ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाता है. मतलब आप उसको डॉक्टर के डोर पे लेके जाते हो, वो आदत ठीक हो जाता है. इट्स लाइक दैट.
कोई बच्चा है इसका.
बिकॉज ही फाउंड समथिंग चेंज. घर में हो सकता है उसको नहीं अच्छा लग रहा हो. He wanted to go outside. We need to understand certain behaviors also, why the child is behaving like this. All right. And then when they are growing, again they are developing that autonomy versus shame and doubt behavior. So autonomy versus shame is very important. Like, how are we handling our children? Autonomy means the development of the positive personality. So whatever the work we ask them to do, they do it in that manner. But there are some children who feel shame on it because they might not have faced the positive interaction or maybe the appreciation. So they feel like I can't do it. What do we do when children are very small, like 2 to 3 year old? What do? We hold their hands to do the things, isn't it? हम उनका जो काम है वो हम अपने हाथ से पकड़ के करवाते हैं उनसे. Why?
प्रॉपर तरीके से सीख जाए इसलिए.
Proper तरीके से सीख जाए. So this is what we are trying to teach them, that they can't do it. We are the only one who can do it. This is what we are inculcating. हम उनको क्या सिखा रहे हैं कि आप अच्छे से नहीं कर पाओगे. This is what they are developing. अगर हम जब तक उसको करने ही नहीं देंगे वो कैसे सीखेगा. आज नहीं तो कल उसको पकड़ना ही है. आज आप हाथ पकड़वा के कराओगे तो कल उसको वही चीज सीखने में और ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. So we are delaying the development. We are not nurturing the development. उससे क्या हो रहा है कि हम जो development है वो delay कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि वो चीज से उसको तो हैंडल करना ही है. आप पूरे टाइम तो उसका हाथ पकड़वा के नहीं करा सकते हो. So it is the best time, let them explore the environment. अगर आपके घर में कोई बहुत ज्यादा precious चीज है तो आप उसको छुपा के रखिए, so that you should not have to say कि no, you don't touch it, don't touch it. So you will have to avoid the word saying no, no, no. This is what they are learning from us. They also do the same thing. When you do something, when you say something, they'll say no. No, I don't want to do it. So this is the first word they are learning since beginning. No, 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 no. So everywhere, whatever we say, they say no. I don't want to do it. So we have to be very careful with our words. We have to make them feel special. Every child is special. The child which you have, the other one will not have the same personality. We all are different and we all think in a different manner. If I ask you that if you are not able to understand your own children, how can you expect a teacher to do the same? And the teacher has 25, 30 children in the classroom and she has to handle every child with the same. Mama school में जाके बोलती है, ma'am, make my children to sit in front. What about the other child? दूसरे का बच्चा क्या है? ऐसे आया है क्या स्कूल में? आपके बच्चे को मैं सामने बिठा दूं, दूसरे का पीछे बिठा दूं. क्यों? Why there is discrimination? So we are creating this bad environment. We are teaching them these all things which are not acceptable. And later on we blame them. We don't blame ourselves. So the behavior which we want to inculcate, we have to do it. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, okay, give the chance to everyone. Let them also sit. They also want to learn. So learn from each other, not one after the other. Children learn better from their siblings rather than elders. I had the children of 3 age group in my classroom. I had the children from 3 to 6 years in one room only. And they used to take care of the elder and younger ones very nicely. जैसे नर्सरी के बच्चे को सुसु पॉटी आता था तो मुझे आके बड़े बच्चे बताते थे कि मैडम उसको वो हो रहा है, ये रो रहा है, इसको मम्मा के पास जाना है. They can feel their, feelings. So they are developing that social skills which we are not able to give them. Okay, so these things we have to take care. Now we'll have quickly one activity for the kids which we can do with them, and so let them enjoy. It's a group activity. If you have a group of children, you can do it. Abhi, right now you can do it with your children at home. It would be very helpful. So let's play dancing hands. We have Priya ma'am here from Surat. Okay, we have Priya ma'am here from Surat. She will be taking this.
Hello everyone, this is Priya Alawadi from Surat. So we'll be doing dancing hands, and then I'm going to chant 2 to 3 lines for playing dancing hands. So it will be like for the first 2 actions we will go hot cross buns, hot cross buns. For the next 2 actions, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, 1 a penny, 2 a penny. And then for the last 2, the third row, again hot cross buns, hot cross buns. Okay, so in this activity, first you have to clap your hands. heart, cross, buns, and then you have to clap in front. You have to
If you
clap
are two,
with
you
the
can
other
play
person.
together. Yes. If you are two, you can
Heart,
play together.
cross, buns. Yeah, done. And then you have to stomp your feet. You have to stomp your feet.
We
Okay.
need to stand
So
for
you have to
this.
stomp your feet like
मैं
this.
नव्या के साथ करवाऊंगी
Okay. So again, we'll practice heart, cross, buns, and then stomp your feet. Heart, cross, buns, and then you have to clap in front. One penny. Okay, and then at the back of the other person. If there are two people,
Like we
then they
hug.
will be like a hug, and then you have to clap behind each other. One a penny, two a penny. Okay, and then you have to clap in front again. Clap in front again. Heart, cross, buns, and then on the side, on either side. Heart, cross, buns. Okay, we'll do it again. We'll do it again.
Okay. Now we'll continue.
Okay. Heart, cross, buns. Heart, cross, buns. Then stomp your feet, please. Yes. Okay. Heart, cross, buns. Heart, cross, buns. One a penny, two a penny. Heart, cross, buns.
भेजना है
Cross,
जल्दी लेके आओ
buns.
इंग्लिश वाला जल्दी आओ
Like this.
Done?
Shall we do it again? Shall we do it again?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Heart, cross, buns. Heart, cross, buns. One a penny, two a penny. Cross, buns. Yeah.
Okay. I'll share the pic so that you can do it at home properly.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll share the video. We'll share the video.
And
Yes,
there is
fine.
one nice
Yes, ma'am.
song to play with. So again, we'll do an action song. It will be giving a certain value also, the life skill also. So I would like you all to stand, please, and dance along with this. If anyone can take the screen, then you can take. Okay, I'm playing it.
मैंने बोला तो डांस करना है
Dance
जाना मत
together
बंद बंद कर देना इधर
and enjoy.
नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली नीना की नाव चली नीना की नाव चली नीना की नानी की नाव चली नीना की नाव चली
ऐसे रख बेटा
की नाव चली नीना की नाव चली जाने कौन से गाँव चली
मैडम साउंड नहीं आ रहा
जाने कौन से गाँव चली हे नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली हे नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली मछली ने बोला मुझे ले चल मछली ने बोला
We can hear the song.
You are not able to hear.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can
Okay,
hear the
then-
song as well.
Then what happened?
It was going good.
Audible to us. No disturbed. Sorry. अरे कहाँ गया मेरा ये रहा चलो once again
good
it's not yet over again I'm playing okay
साउंड क्या हो गया
can you hear it
नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली नीना की नाव चली नीना की नाव चली नीना की नानी की नाव चली नीना की नाव चली नीना की नाव चली नीना की नानी की नाव चली जाने कौन से गाँव चली जाने कौन से गाँव चली हे नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली हे नाव चली नाव चली नाव चली मछली ने बोला मुझे भी ले चल मछली ने बोला मुझे भी
हेडफोन नहीं मिल रहा।
मीना ने कहा, क्या कहा?
कहा
हाँ, हे नाव चली, नाव चली, नाव चली। हे नाव चली, नाव चली, नाव चली। मीना की नाव चली, मीना की नाव चली, मीना की नानी की नाव चली। मीना की नाव चली, मीना की नाव चली, मीना की नानी की नाव चली। जाने कौन से गाँव चली, जाने कौन से गाँव चली। हे नाव चली, नाव चली, नाव चली। हे नाव चली, नाव चली, नाव चली। कछुए ने बोला मुझे भी ले चल, कछुए ने बोला मुझे भी ले चल। मीना ने कहा, मीना ने कहा, क्या कहा?
What happened? Is it like that? It's not here? I'll share it in the group. Okay.
Good,
You
ma'am.
just have to do the action song, and it is teaching the friends also that Meena takes machli and then kachua, and when the crocodile comes, Meena says no, 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 I don't want to take crocodile. So that is also very nice, right? Okay, so last is your homework now. Your home assignment. You want to understand your children, then you have to do one thing. That is the beginning. You have to make a chart today with your kids' likes and dislikes. So make a poster. Maybe you can put it up on the wall in your kids' room or maybe in your room, wherever you can. So put your likes, the child's like, whatever the things the children like, maybe the favorite game, favorite movie, show, or food, vegetable, whatever you can, and the things which your child doesn't like at all. He does not like means you are not supposed to force him to do that. Okay,
मेरे कान का मतलब
so that you have to do, and please do share whatever you are doing it. Do practice at home, and I'll tell you, you will learn so many things from your kids only. You don't have to go anywhere to learn anything. You will learn at your home from your kids. They will teach you the 21st century, maybe 22nd century skills which we do not have. Right? Chalo,
Yes.
okay. Thank you, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Tomorrow again
An
at the
honor.
same time. Right? I'll share
Welcome.
the song.
Thank you. It was a
And
great
please
learning.
do your
Thank you.
homework. Chalo.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone.